Do you want to know how to share Instagram posts on a story? Here's how to do it. First of all, if it's your own post that you want to add to your story, open up your Instagram app and tap on your profile picture, which is in the lower right corner. It will take you to your profile page. Then, from here, select the post that you want to add to your story and open it up. Tap the arrow icon, then select the first option. Now simply tap the Your Story option in the bottom left, and that's it. You have successfully shared a post on your story. Now, if you want to share a post from another person, either look for the post on your timeline or go to the search bar, type in their name, and then open up their profile page. Look for the post that you want to share and then simply repeat the process. Tap on the arrow icon and select the first option, then tap on Your Story, and just like that, you have shared somebody's post. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching this video. I'm out. Peace!